Hello, today I have a 2015 Jaguar XF. It's the 2.0 liter turbo engine, and the car, when you start, start idling rough, and then it stopped by itself. Then you start it again, then it's shaking, then it stopped. And when you go trying to start it again, when it gets hot, trying to drive in, then it stopped again. And it pulls the code P2187 and P2178, which is I have the system lean and rich in the same time. So what I want to do, and first thing I check the old hoses and wires, sensors, like make sure you have no cracks and anything. You can do a smoke test. You gotta check the burn valve. You check the mass airflow sensor, and it's mostly gonna be a leak. So after I did the test, it is what I found, and I want to show you right here. When it comes from the turbo to the cooler, the intercooler, look what I found here. Someone messed it up. This is where the leak came from. Like what I said, like you're gonna look everywhere. If you have a smoke machine, you will find the leak. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just comment below and answer all your questions. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.